The benefits of participating is that educators' capacity will be built in equitable computer science educational opportunities, and ultimately it's going to affect our students. There are so many students that do not have these opportunities. There's data that actually shows that not all students across California have these opportunities in computer science education, and unfortunately it affects our most underrepresented students in computer science, and that is our students of color, especially Black, Latinx, and Native American Pacific Islander students, as well as girls that are not represented in the computer science world in general. And so what can we do to get them the greatest access? By teachers participating in this, they not only get to have the high quality learning opportunities and spark interest amongst each other, but they get to take something back to their classrooms. And I'm particularly excited about the fact that they get a whole week-long intensive training during CSPD week with supportive educators and facilitators that will help the learning continue to grow through academic year workshops, which will continue to happen throughout the year.
K-12 California educators attend seasons of CS, professional development, and learn curriculum that you can bring back to the classroom.
All students should learn CS.
And all teachers can teach CS.